Hello everybody. Today we'll come to know about tree plantation, which is very important from environment point of view and also a place like Ballari, where we can plant trees for having better environment and pollution free. Now, coming to this, tree plantation is a process of transplanting tree seedlings generally for forestry, land reclamation, and landscaping purpose. Because tree removes carbon dioxide from the air as they grow, tree planting can be used as a geoengineering technique to remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Desert greening projects are also motivated by improving biodiversity and reclamation of natural water system, but also improving economical and social welfare due to an increase in number of jobs in farming and forestry. Importance of tree plantation for mankind. How tree plantation helps mankind is plantation drives combat many environmental issues like deforestation, erosion of soil, desertification in semi-arid areas, global warming, and hence enhancing the beauty and balance of the environment. Trees absorb harmful gases and emit oxygen, resulting in increase in oxygen supply. On an average, a single tree emits 260 pounds of oxygen annually. Similarly, a full grown tree is sufficient for 18 human beings in 1 acre of land in 1 year, stressing the importance of tree plantation for mankind. The type of tree planted may have greater influence on the environmental outcome. It is often much more profitable to outside interest to plant fast growing species like eucalyptus or pine. To promote the growth of native ecosystem, many environmentalists advocate only indigenous trees be planted. A practical solution is to plant tough, fast growing native tree species which begin to rebuilding the land. Planting non-invasive trees that assist in natural return of indigenous species is called assisted natural regeneration. Alternative farming managed natural regeneration involves farmers preserving trees, not replanting, and is considered to be a more cost effective method of reforestation than regular tree plantation. Lastly, the conclusion how tree plantation helps human being is, and what is tree plantation? Tree plantation is a process of transplanting the tree seedlings generally for the purpose of forestation, land reclamation, or landscaping purpose. Because trees remove carbon dioxide from air as they grow, tree plants can be used as a geoengineering technique to remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Tree plantation drives combat many environmental issues like deforestation, erosion of soil, desertification of semi-arid areas, global warming, and enhance the beauty and balance of the environment. Okay, we also, and you cadets, have to plant a tree, at least one plant in a year, and we will conduct tree plantation every year in the month of June. And I hope you all also follow these instructions and make our place green and community green. Okay, thank you very much.